If you're not using Amazon to build income in 2025, you're already falling behind. Millions are leveraging it right now, not by luck, but by strategy. The real question isn't, can you make money on Amazon? It's, how long can you afford not to? Stick around, because I'm going to break down the most beginner-friendly ways to earn with Amazon in 2025, with zero fluff, real examples, and tactics that work even if you've never made a dime online. Let's dive in, before the window closes. Point 1. Amazon Influencer Program. No followers? No problem. Let's kick off with a low-barrier, high-upside method. The Amazon Influencer Program. Sounds like you need 100K followers, right? No. In 2025, even micro-creators with just 1K followers on TikTok or YouTube Shorts are getting approved. Here's how it works. You create short videos reviewing Amazon products. Amazon places your video on their product page. When people watch and buy, you get paid. It's like affiliate marketing, but smarter. Why it works in 2025. Amazon is doubling down on video content. They want authentic, relatable reviews, and they'll pay you for them. Wait, you're telling me I can get paid to talk about that milk frother I already own and never use? Exactly. You're already influencing. You're just not getting paid for it yet. Beginner tip. Start by reviewing products you already own. Film with your phone. Be authentic. No studio. No script. Just your voice and your experience. But what if you don't want to be on camera at all? Well, Amazon has you covered. White heavy checkmark. Point 2. Amazon KDP. Sell books without writing a single word. Next up, Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. This isn't just for authors anymore. In 2025, people are publishing journals, notebooks, coloring books, planners, using free tools like Canva and ChatGPT, and earning passive income. Brain you design once, and Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. That's the dream, right? You're not writing the next Harry Potter, you're uploading a gratitude journal for single dog dads. It exists. We checked. Imagine waking up to royalties while you're still dreaming. Beginner tip. Use Canva to create interiors and covers. Upload to Amazon KDP. Price it smart. It's your digital real estate, it works while you sleep. Now, what if you're saying, I'm not creative at all? Good. Because our next method is built for non-creatives who love money. White heavy checkmark. Point 3. Amazon FBA Wholesale. Buy low. Sell high. Repeat. FBA Wholesale or Fulfillment by Amazon is one of the most underrated beginner models in 2025. Here's the play. You buy branded products in bulk from authorized distributors. You ship them to Amazon's warehouse. Amazon handles the rest. Shipping, returns, customer support. You just collect profits. Brainthink name brands. Nike, Lego, Dove. Yes, you can legally sell them if you source them right. I thought I needed a garage full of boxes and a shipping label gun? Nah. Amazon's warehouse is your warehouse now. You don't need to invent the next iPhone. You just need to ride the wave of what's already selling. Beginner tip. Use tools like Inventory Lab or Scan Unlimited to research profitable products. Start with $500. Scale slowly. Be smart. But what if I told you, you can make money from Amazon without ever touching a product? Let's talk automation. White heavy checkmark. Point 4. Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Get paid to recommend. Here's the method where you don't buy, ship, or create anything. Welcome to Amazon Associates, the original affiliate program. You share Amazon product links in blogs, YouTube descriptions, TikToks, even group chats. When someone clicks and buys, you get paid a small commission. But wait, small commission? Yes, but with scale, it snowballs. You ever convinced your friend to buy something? Congrats, you're already qualified. Now it's time to monetize it. Your words already move people. Make your influence measurable and profitable. Beginner tip. Use tools like Genius Link to localize affiliate links and create content around high-converting products, tech, beauty, kitchen gadgets. Now what if you could build a business on top of Amazon, without being Amazon? Let's end big. White heavy checkmark. Point 5. Amazon automation with AI. The passive income power move. This is next level and it's becoming more beginner-friendly in 2025. Using AI tools and virtual assistants, people are automating product research, managing customer emails, outsourcing inventory orders, and scaling Amazon stores without lifting a finger. Brain, it's not about working harder. It's about working intelligently. The wealthy don't trade time for money. They build systems. This is your chance to do the same. You could binge another Netflix series, or you could spend that time building a system that pays you every month. Beginner tip. Start with one method. Add automation slowly, not all at once. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Zapier, ChatGPT to build your backend. Direct hit conclusion. Amazon is no longer just a place to shop. It's a place to build freedom. And in 2025 the entry is open, the tools are everywhere, and the opportunity is now. Don't wait until the market is saturated. Start today. Test one method. Commit for 90 days. Build your first dollar. Then scale. Because if you don't, someone else will. Like this video if it opened your eyes. Subscribe for weekly strategies to build your financial freedom. And comment below. Which Amazon method will you start with first? We read every comment.